Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this video, we want to look at questions on simple equations. So let's look at the first one. So the first question asks us to solve the equation, and we have 2 in the brackets x plus 3, alright, equals to 4x minus 8. So what we're going to do here, the first thing you need to do is to open the brackets. So we open the brackets, then collect like that. So that means we're using the term outside the bracket to multiply all the terms inside the brackets. So that means 2 times x will give us 2x. 2 times 3 will give us plus 6 equals to 4x minus 8. So after this, the next stage is for us to collect like terms. So we collect like terms. So that means we're going to have 2x minus 4x. So because this 4x is crossing the equation sign to the other side. So the sign before it is plus here, but it's invisible. So it turns to minus here, equals to minus 8. You know, we have removed this, which remains minus 8. Then plus 6 will then come and become what? Minus 6. I hope this is very clear. So, good. So the next is for us to 2x minus 4x. Don't forget, anytime you are subtracting two numbers with different signs, so what I expected to do is to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So that is 4 minus 2 will give us 2x. So what is the sign we have before the bigger number is minus? So it means the answer will also be what? Minus. I hope this is very good. So equals to minus 8 minus 4. These are set of negative numbers. So a set of negative numbers, you are expected to add them together and put negative in front of your answer. So that will give us minus what? Minus 14. So the next stage is for us to divide both sides by minus 2. Because we want x to stand alone, we want x to what? To stand alone at the left hand side by minus 2. So that means we have minus 2x divided by minus 2 equals to minus 14 divided by minus 2. So minus will cancel minus, 2 will cancel 2. We have x left here, minus cancel minus. 2 divided by 14, that gives us 7. So the answer here is x equal to 7. That is option what? Option A. How this is clear. So let's go to question number 2. For question number 2 now. So what we have here, we have solved the equation 8z minus 16 equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we collect like terms. That means this will come to the side. So it becomes 8z rather, 8z equals to, this is minus, it becomes 0 plus what? 0 plus 16. Do the same thing as what? 8z equals to what? 16. So now, what we have beside the z, the unknown, that is the variable, is 8, which is its coefficient. So the coefficient of 8 is 8. So once you have a coefficient, that is the whole number is multiplying the unknown. So we divide both sides by the coefficient. So divide both sides uh, by 8. So that means you're going to have 8z divided by 8 equals to 16 divided by what? 8. So this cancels it. Then z equals to 2. That is option D. Option D. D. Then question number 3 now. For question number 3, so we have minus 30b equals to 15. So what we're going to do here, you can see we don't have addition, that's subtraction. So what we're going to do is that the coefficient of b, the unknown, is minus 30. So we divide both sides by minus what? 30. So the minus 30 equals to 15 all over minus 30. So minus cancel minus 30 cancel 30. So that's b equals to 15 here 1, 15 here 2, that is minus 1 all over 2. And that is option B, option C. Option C. For question number 4 now. For question number 4, we have solved the equation minus A minus 13 equals to minus what? 19. So here we collect like terms. So this will come and make this so that A can stand in it. That's minus A equals to minus 19 plus what? 13, because this has crossed the equation sign. So in that case, we're going to have minus A equals to minus 19 plus 13. Just subtract 13 from 19, have 6. Alright, so the sign before the bigger number is minus. So put a minus. So for this, we can divide both sides by minus 1. So that divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1. Alright, or let's have it this way. So the next is divide both sides by minus 1. Divide. You can as well multiply both sides by minus 1. You still get the same thing. So divide both sides by minus 1. That is minus A minus 1 equals to minus 6 minus 1. Alright, so this gives us A equals to 6. And at the same time, instead of you writing the divide both sides, just minus cancel minus. As you have it like this, minus A equals to minus 6. So minus cancel minus. Therefore, A equals to 6. Still the same thing. So that is A is equal to 6. That's option C. Option C. So the next question on the question number 5. So question number 5 now. Question 5. So what we have here is this 7 equals to minus 8 minus 5d. So here the unknown is at the right answer and it is negative. Let's bring it to the left answer. So it will then become 5d. Then we take this to the other side. So that means minus 8 minus 7. It is plus here when it gets is going to be minus. So that means we have 5d. So minus 8 minus 7. So set of negative numbers, we add them together. So that will give us a minus of 15. You can then divide both sides. We're going to divide both sides by 5. So that means 25d divided by 5 equals to minus 15 divided by 5. This cancels this. Then d equals to minus 3. And that's question number 5. Option A is the answer. For question number 6, for 6, solve the equation 2x minus 20 equals to 5 minus 3x. 2x minus 20 equals to 5 minus 3x. So what we're going to do is we collect like terms. So that means 2x and 3x will come together, come plus 3x. It is minus 7, so it's going to turn to like plus. So it remains, we have removed this, it remains 5. So this minus 20 is coming here. So it is minus here to become a plus here, plus 20. So 2x plus 3x, that gives us 5x. 5 plus 20, 25. So divide both sides by what? 5. That is 5x divided by 5 equals to 25 divided by what? 5. Please cancel this. Therefore, x equals to 5. That's answer for question number 6, and that's option C. Then question 7. Question 7. Solve the equation. We have minus 7x plus 13 equals to minus 8 minus 4x. So we also collect like terms here. That is minus 7x plus 4x equals to minus 8. We have removed this one from here. Sorry. Don't forget we have removed this from here. So it remains minus 8. So this is coming to this place. That will become minus what? 13. So this will give us minus 4 minus 3 rather, minus 3x. So, and this gives us minus 21. Minus 21. So we divide both sides by minus 3. So by minus 3, by minus 3. So this cancel this, cancel this. This can that x equals what 7. Plus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. The answer is equal to A, option A for question 7. So for question 8 now, for question 8, for question 8, we have solved the equation. So we have this. So 3 into bracket x plus 5, close the bracket, minus 35 equals to minus 4 into bracket 2x minus 6. So the first thing is to remove the brackets by multiplying all the terms inside the bracket by what? By the term you have outside the bracket. So that is 3 times x. This will give us 3x plus 3 times 5. This 15 minus 35 equals to, that is minus 8x, then plus what? 24. That is minus times minus is plus. 4 times 6 is 24. So the next is to collect like terms. That is 3x. It is minus 8x here to become plus 8x equals to 24. This minus 35 become plus 35, then minus 15. It is plus here to come to minus here. So 3x plus 8x, that is 11x. So 24 plus 35 minus 15. So 24 plus 35 minus 15 gives us 44. This gives us 44. So divide both sides by what? 11. 11. So that means x equals to 4. How this is very clear. Now we go to question number 9 now. Question 9. Alright, so question 9 is the next stage. For question number 9, solve the equation 3x plus 5 minus x minus 3 equals to 0. So what we're going to do here, we also open the brackets. Alright? But you have to be very careful here. What you have beside the bracket is minus. There's no number there, but there's number there. The number there is 1. So supposed to be that's what? Minus 1. So in that case, you are not using 5 to multiply or whatever you have inside the bracket. Rather, you are using what? Minus 1. So in that case, we need to have 3x plus 5 minus x plus what? Plus 3, because 1 times x is x. So 1 times 3 is 3. So minus times minus here is plus. Everything equals to 0. So the next thing you collect like terms. So that's 3x minus x equals to what? This 5 will go minus 5 minus what? Minus 3. I hope I'm making sense. So this will give us 2x equals what? Minus 8. So what we're looking for is x, not 2x. We divide both sides by 2, by 2. 2 cancel 2. Therefore, x equals to what? Minus 4. And that is option A. That's on question number 9. So let's go to question number 10, the last question. Question number 10, we have 4 into brackets x minus 3, close the bracket, plus 2 into x plus 4 minus x minus 9 equal to 0. So here, so we're going to open the brackets first. So this will give us 4x minus 12 plus 2x plus 8 minus x plus 9 equal to 0. So the next stage here is to collect like terms. We bring all the x together and we take all the whole number to the other side. That means we have 4x plus 2x minus x. You notice that the signs before all these terms did not change. So because they are c in that side, they are c on that side, they have not crossed the equation sign. So minus 12 become plus 12, plus 8 become minus 8, plus 9 become what? Minus 9. So this will give us 5x, right, equals to 12 minus 17. Set of negative numbers, right? That is 5x equals to minus 5. So then the Bible side that was 5, Bible side by 5, 5 cancel 5. Therefore, x equals what? Minus 1. And that is option what? A. So that's all for this video. I hope you find it useful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell and share the video with your loved ones. Last